how to block your crochet scarf. To keep your finished crochet project from losing shape and to smooth out any lumps and bumps, you will now block your scarf. This will achieve a more even look and prevent your work from curling excessively. Dampen a clean sheet of fabric or a tea towel and place it over your scarf on an ironing board. Use a hot iron to press lightly on your work to relax the wool fibres. Continue until all sections of your scarf have been blocked. Admire your finished project and snap some pics to share with us using #StitchAndStory.